So yes, this is a second part on Watchdog Soldier for the City because my stupid recorder stopped recording on the first one. So anyways, here we go, the continuing, which I now think is probably just about a bunch of bullcrap. It's really irritating. Well, let's go anyways. Okay. Hold it. I need to get to where there's a camera system. Oh boy. Time to have some fun. Oh, crap.
That ain't no fucked up junkie, man. Find him.
Crap. I think I might be in a tight situation here.
Okay, Jack. I'll check over there.
Oh boy.
Ah, here he is.
Well, if you can't do it one way, then it's time to do it another, right? Let's go! Get out of my way! Crap! He's getting away. Oh no! What? Hey, since when would a stupid gang call the cops? Or was that another stupid civilian? Oh! I'd like to run over everybody on the sidewalk at this point. Trying to do the city a valuable service, and each civilian is calling the dang cops on me. You deserve it! Okay. Crap! Gotta catch back up to him there. Crap! Come on. Gah! Nah! Oh! Sorry, officer, but you asked for it. Ah! I'm taking you down one way or another, bud. Try and escape me all you want, but you're not going to be able to do it. Ah! Yeah, you dang cops sure do need some help. Serious help, as a matter of fact. Come on. Don't run off, bud. Hey! Crap. I said, get back here. Oh, crap. You stupid piece of crap. Nah. I should have killed you, but I'll leave you for the cops. Well, anyways, guys, that's the end of part 2. Anyways, be a master, stay a master, and I'll see you guys next time. Good night, everybody. I think next video I'm going to do is I'm just going to start killing a bunch of random civilians, since each and every one of them wants to call the cops on me. Okay, I've had enough of you. Ah!